What's going on, everybody? Today I have a little quick fix showing you how to replace a worn out toilet flapper valve. And in my case, it has totally fallen apart. The only thing you're going to need for this job is a new toilet flapper. This one's made by Korky, and I'll leave the link for this one in the description below. I've had pretty good luck with these ones. Nothing lasts forever, so it's time to replace the old one. The first thing you need to do is turn off the water supply to the toilet. Then drain the remaining water in the tank of the toilet. You may need to flush a couple times to drain it all. Once I had all the water drained out, I had noticed that part of the flapper had actually broken off and fallen down into the pipe, so I had to fish it out. The thing you need to do to remove the old flapper is disconnect the chain from the handle. Then remove the flapper itself by just giving a slight twist to each of the arms. And as you can see down in the hole there, that little white piece is the cone piece of the flapper that has broken off mine. So I need to fish that out of there first. So after fishing around a little bit, I was able to get the remainder of the flapper out of the pipe there. Using the old flapper chain as a guide, you're going to make the new chain just as long as the old one by moving the hook down. It should look something like this. Then I'm going to attach the new one by slightly twisting the arms and attaching them to the overflow pipe on the two tabs. Then you're going to reattach the chain to the same hole that you took the old one off from. Then turn the water supply back on. Once the tank is full again, you're going to do a little test by flushing the toilet. And once it seals back up again, you're going to check for any leaks. And if there's no leaks, you're good to go. Just a reminder, this flapper is linked in the description. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If this video helped you out at all, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. And we'll see you in the next one. And if you guys want to make your toilet a little more eco-friendly, put a bottle of water into the filler tank. This displaces some of the water and saves you a little bit on your water bill as well. Thanks again for watching.